starts today. It's been a long time coming. I'm excited that I get to bring you along. I'm talking about a massive, extensive kitchen remodel. Full gut job. From the floor to the ceiling to the walls, the plumbing, the electrical, the lights, the appliances, and I'm doing all of it. Every single piece is all on me. Winter is coming. I gotta get ready. I usually pick up some big projects to pad the bank account. This is the big money maker. It was 48 degrees today. I had to break out my new winter workwear. A lot of people are always asking, where do you get your shoes? Where do you get your hat? Where do you get your watch? Where'd you get that coat? I'll put a link in the description for this dry duct shirt, sweatshirt, hooded thing. Looks good, cotton, polyester. It was raining out today too, so it dried quick. Look for a link in the description on that. Patreon. If you have questions about your remodel or your home repair project, that is the platform to ask them. So if you are a Patreon member, you can contact me on the link also in the description. I'll put it up here on the screen as well. The stage that I'm working on today is creating a space to put a refrigerator built into a wall. They have a massive refrigerator, but they don't want it sticking massively out into the kitchen. They want it recessed into the wall. So I have to remove a radiator. Well, this is one radiator. That is the cavity that the refrigerator is going to be going in. This is the other one that needs to go. We're going to have cabinets run down this whole length here. First thing I'm going to do is shut the water supply off to the system. Now I've got to drain it. I'm hooking a hose up to the drain. There's about 20 psi of pressure in this system. Here it comes. There's a floor drain right over here. And I'm going to let this come out slow. Oh, spiders. Yeah. Run. Jesus. I hate spiders. And they love to live in these drain holes. Damn, see, it's filled with cobwebs. Lucky for me, this floor drain drains really well. Now this is a bleeder valve here. It's to bleed off air and also let air in. So that air that you hear there, that's air getting sucked in so that this can drain down. Is it the same one? Takes a while for this to drain out. So as that continues to drain, I'm going to show you where my cuts are going to be going. This is part of one radiator here and here. My goal is to cut here, cut there, spin these angles off, and thread on caps. So this one will have a cap and this one will have a cap. Next one. This one here is a supply for the other side, as well as this one here. So this will also get cut, and then I'll spin this off, spin this one off, and put a cap on there too. Still draining, slowing down quite a bit, flushing out this section of their underground drains pretty good. This one here, that's a gas line. We don't want to cut that one. Make a mental note. If I get a little wet, it's not the end of the world. So now to get these angled pieces off, I'm going to use 2 monkey wrenches, and I'm going to be squeezing them together in opposite directions. There's going to be some grunting, so prepare yourselves. I may have to get the torch out. Nope, got it. Wait. This one's a tough one. So I am going to cap these off, even though I could be taking this whole system out next week. I'm meeting an HVAC contractor next week on installing an entire new gas forced air and central air conditioning system in this house. So I won't be filling it back up, but I will be capping it off. This system runs at about 20 psi, even when hot. It goes up a few psi. If anyone's curious out there, these are called channel lock pliers. There we go, 2 radiators removed. That was all the easy part. The difficult part is getting the pipes out. I'm going to unscrew these here, and here, and try to fit them down through the floor, because there's other pipes and wiring that goes in over the years that can, you know, makes things not so easy getting these pipes out. Ready to go down, probably take more apart, cut some apart there. Yeah, this one might drop. This one out. That was the only one that's going to be easy. I think I want to cut this right there. Well, that was quite a bit easier than I anticipated. It really only took me about 10 minutes to get all these pipes out. There's pipes everywhere. There's probably 30 feet of pipe here, and well, it doesn't always go that easy. So I thought I was going to have to get out the Sawzall a lot more, but I didn't have to. So I'm going to take all these out and remove those radiators out of the kitchen, get things cleaned up, and then I will move on to the next phase, which is building the cavity for that refrigerator in the wall.